Hi guys, I have a new book by Angela Van Dam called Majestic Animals. This is published by Design Originals. One of the reasons I like Design Original books is they give you an introduction to the artist in the front. They give you examples of pages they've colored, and what her design style is. They also talk about tips and techniques about coloring, as well as helpful hints. They talk about layering and blending, about patterning and detail, and how to get the most out of your details in your flowers and leaves. They talk about what kind of coloring supplies you have, and then they give you examples of some of the pages that are in the book colored. Isn't he lovely? Pages are perforated in this book, so you can pop them right out, put them on your clipboard. The paper is very nice quality, typical of Design Originals. Design Originals is the same company that puts out Dania McCardle books. Beautiful butterfly. There's a nice quote on the back of every page. I think little Allie might be teething. She's been kind of fussy today. Not sure what this is, if this is amoebas or snake skin or what. What do you all think? Pretty dog, huh? So Allie is starting to find her voice, as you hear. They're watching a dolphin tail on TV. It happens to be one of their favorite movies. I know not why, but they really, really like it. There's that beautiful majestic lion that you saw colored in the beginning. Let's see, I just want to show you. It's beautiful, isn't it gorgeous? That'll be a beautiful page when it's done. This was a Zulily find, I believe. I got this on Zulily. I think I paid $7.99 or $8.99 for it. Nice quality to the paper. It has a nice tube for blending and shading. You can hear my babies talking. There's the bear. He's the one on the front of the book. Tadpoles. No, what are these? Chameleons? Salamanders? What kind of lizards? I don't know. But everybody loves a walrus. I hope you can see some of the fine details in these pages. Here's the snail. Pretty little peacock tail. Froggy. What's Allie complaining about, Peyton? Peyton's just looking at me smiling like crazy, and Allie's just a holler. Here's my spirit animal, the giraffe. This is, what do you call this with the line? Is this a swan or flamingo? Which one is it? I don't know. Could be either or, I guess. Nice deer wrap. Ugly little lizard. Allie, why are you behaving like that? You're so fussy today. You're fine. Pretty butterfly. Or is this a dragonfly? Maybe it's a dragonfly, I guess. Cute little panda, I think. Yeah, bamboo. It must be a panda. pandas like bamboo. Okay, now this is a swan, I think. The other must have been a pelican, right, guys? Cute little hedgehog, though, isn't he? Pretty little butterflies. That'd be a great page done in glitter gels, wouldn't it? Help me out. Nice little elephant with a small trunk. Gorgeous owl. There's this lion, I believe. The female lion, maybe. And it has examples of the colorings on the back flap as well. That's it. Coloring collection of Majestic Animals by Angela Van Dam. Thanks, guys. Oh, I do that every time. Sorry about that.